They don't really want to talk about it. Talk about what? The elephant in the room. What elephant? Debt. The stress, the heavy weight, the massive burden on their shoulders. Living under pressure every single day until it sabotages their mental, emotional, and physical health. Breaks down relationships until bitter separations and divorces occur. Pushes people into dark places of despair, depression, hopelessness, and suicide. Often it's not their fault. The system wasn't created to financially liberate people. It's meant to enslave them. I know, I've been there, experienced it all, lived with it. Then I chose to do something about it. Researched, self-educated, empowered myself with the right financial information, tools, and strategies. It took many, many years, and it wasn't an easy road. It was painful, and to be transparent, it felt like torture at times. Then, when I was finally getting ahead and breaking free, I became a victim, a pawn of someone else's greed. Nearly lost it all and almost suffered a mental breakdown. It was traumatic. I cried, pounded my fist toward heaven. Then, picked myself back up again and dusted myself off. Became wiser, got stronger, and learned from the failure. Pivoted, adapted, and rebuilt. Proved to myself that I could start again and do it even better. It's exactly why I'm so passionate about helping others become debt-free family legacy heroes who are building financial futures for their loved ones and families. If I could do it, so can you. It starts with the right information, a proper foundation. Now you can benefit from my failures and mistakes, the very ones which became stepping stones for my wins and successes. Send me a private message and we can set up a time to chat. I want to help you see how you can get out from under that weight and remove that cloud of fear and uncertainty. You deserve that freedom. You deserve that peace of mind.